There comes a time when it's a season of transition and your time is up and someone else is going to take over. Queen Vashti, she messed up, and the king's counselor counseled him to find someone better than her, and they found Esther for such a time as this. King Saul was king, but then the Lord sought a man after his own heart, and there came a point where even King Saul realized that David was his replacement. One of the best examples, John the Baptist had a thriving ministry. Then his men came to him and told him about Jesus baptizing more people than he did. Even though the Lord didn't baptize anyone personally. But the thing is, John said, I must decrease and he must increase. There comes a point where it's a time for the changing of the guard. Out with the old and in with the new. And sometimes you are the one who's old and you realize it's time to hang it up because someone else is going to take it over, and it is God's will. It is a natural transition, the circle of life.